Hey, I bought a new dust extractor from Axminster Tools. I didn't see any other reviews online, so that's what I'm going to do today. It's heavy. Okay, so straight out of the box we've got a hose clip, we've got casters, and there are screws and washers in there. Hopefully I won't lose any of them. I've got an Allen key for setup, add that to the collection, and a grab handle as well. What I'm going to do is put these casters all together. Oh, those ones have got the screws and nuts already on them. And I put the rest of them in this box, otherwise I will lose them. I recommend you do the same. There's also another adapter here. We'll see what that's for, and another adapter, we'll see what that's for later on. And a couple of brackets in there as well. Can I manage to get it out in one go? Oh. And the dust collection bag, put that there. So here it is. It's quite a beastly thing. It's not small, but if you're short on space like I am, this is the best thing that I think you can opt for. Short of getting one of those big, tall cyclone dust extractors, I think this is the best thing that I can have. Now, one of the benefits that was listed with this machine is that it is quiet, so it's ideal for me as I run this from home and I don't want to make loads of noise. So let's see how loud this machine is. So there we have it. It's not really loud, it's not whisper quiet either. At the moment, obviously the bag's not on the side, the tube's not on the front of it, and of course that's letting noise out. I would say it's probably like having a very loud conversation. So let's start unpacking or adding on all of the bits and pieces. So, do you get two bags? Oh. I didn't know you actually get two bags with this, or my one's got two bags at least. I was only expecting one, so that's a bonus. And they're quite, they're quite substantial bags, so you're not going to be filling that up every 5 minutes, obviously depending on what you're doing. I certainly won't be. So now I'm going to get this port screwed on here. Now that's attached. Let's get this on. Right, now that's on. Took a little bit of faff because it didn't line up properly, but nothing too dramatic. Next, we're going to get the grab handle installed. So as I've just realised, this is not for the grab handle. The two holes you need are actually just here. And yes, I did look at the instructions and I still got it wrong. So moving on to the next thing, let's get the bag on this next. Now I'll put it on using this clip provided, but I've got one of the quick release clips coming. Right, now the bag's on there. Let's turn this thing on again and see if there's any difference in the volume. Yes, yeah, that is quieter with the bag on, as you would expect. Now, let's get this into my workshop. As you can see, I'm terrible at keeping things tidy in here, and one little bit of wood attracts 1,000 more bits of wood. So I'm hoping by having this extractor in here, it's going to take up some of this corner here, which means less rubbish and obviously less of this. Right, and there it is up on the wall. So let's get some of this tidied up, eh? Hi, Future Shane here. So I've had this extractor now set up for about a year, most of the time with my sander, and after about a half an hour to 45 minutes worth of sanding, I find that this stringy build-up happens on this port. So I have to unattach the hose, get rid of it and feed it back in so it's clear again so I can carry on working. Is this a deal breaker for me? Not really, because I do a fair amount of sanding, but it's just something you should be wary of when you buy this. So my final thoughts on this extractor: it's relatively small compared to other extractors, and it's quite quiet as well, which was a surprise to me. I thought it was going to be a lot louder. Am I glad I bought it? Yes. Would I recommend buying it? Yes. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing. Bye.